Dr. Jeff Golini has hit roadblock after roadblock while trying to curb the baby formula shortage. It got to the point where even Senator Daines reached out to the FDA on his behalf. But Dr. Jeff says the senator's pull might not be enough to allow American businesses like his to manufacture and sell baby formula.
I told the FDA, this is affecting mothers. This isn't our business. I mean, we don't need this to make a living. We're just trying to help out.
As families continue to search for formula, All American Pharmaceutical in the Billings Heights remains in a holding pattern. The company is churning out formula, but can only market it to toddlers, not babies.
There are people like All American Pharmaceutical and others probably in the USA that would be able to produce to the standards of the USA market.
Dr. Jeff Golini has had to sit back and watch as the FDA has approved imports of baby formula from international manufacturers to cope with the shortage, even though he says many aren't held to the same FDA requirements that US companies must adhere to.
There's no quality checks, there's no safety checks, no one at customs is testing it to make sure that it is what it is or it's safe. It's just rolling in.
And Dr. Golini is frustrated that he can produce baby formula that meets the FDA's requirements, but he can't sell it because it hasn't been approved for infants. That approval process, Golini says, is time-consuming and would cost upwards of $2 million.
To put one set of standards that you can import, but then to say people who are registered to manufacture in the USA, oh, you can't, you got to still do all these studies and stuff, just doesn't make any sense.
Golini's plight has caught the attention of Montana Senator Steve Daines, who is now urging the FDA to approve All American's formula for infants. In a statement, Daines tells MTN, quote, "We should be doing everything we can to cut red tape and revamp production here in the U.S. Even so, Dr. Golini doesn't think it'll be enough.
Our senator, are petitioning, but I don't know how far that will go.
And so now it's just a waiting game. A Montana company willing and able to help with the formula shortage, but stuck, it says, in a maze of red tape. In Billings, Alina Howder, MTN News.